Hey there! I'm Gray with FlagandBanner.com, and today I'm going to show you how to put together an indoor presentation kit. Before we get started, let's see what's included in our premium US indoor flag kit. We've got a nylon US flag with embroidered stars and sewn stripes, a pole hem and gold fringe, your cord and tassel, a two-piece oak presentation pole with brass fittings, our heavy cast iron Admiral base, a gold-plated aluminum eagle ornament, and a flag spreader, which is not included, but we'll get to that later. All right, let's begin by working from the top down, beginning with the top half of our presentation pole. You can tell it's the top because the very top is tapered for your ornament, and it also has this little screw head to help attach your flag to the pole. I'm going to slide this top half of the pole from the bottom of the pole through the top of the flag. You can tell that this is the bottom because of the brass fixture, and the top of the flag obviously has the blue star field. Now that I've got the flag on the pole, I'm going to secure it using the little tab you'll find inside the pole hem of the flag. Once you've found it, it loops over the screw head attached to the top of the pole, and voila! The flag is now attached to the pole. Now that I've secured my flag to the pole, I'm going to install our cord and tassel using the little brass ring that's across from the screw we just attached our flag to. Occasionally, this ring will not come attached to your pole, so you'll want to keep your toolbox handy just in case you need to attach it yourself. I'm going to take the top loop of my cord and tassel and run it through the top of my ring. Then I'm going to pull it through, and I'm going to take the tassels from my cord and tassel and insert them through the top of that loop. I'll pull it all the way through. And there you go. The cord and tassel is attached to your flagpole. Keep in mind that your cord and tassel may not come already braided. If you'd like to try braiding your own tassel, you can check out our tutorial on braiding here. The last step before I assemble my pole is to add the ornament to the top of my pole. This pole has a tapered end, so my eagle ornament just slides on. You'll want to make sure that your ornament is facing the front of your pole, which is the same direction as your cord and tassel. Now that we've assembled the top half, including the flag, cord and tassel, and ornament, it's time to attach the bottom half. You'll simply screw the two pieces together using the brass joints at either end. Our premium flag kits come with the Admiral floor stand. Made of cast iron, it is so heavy, it's guaranteed to keep your flag from falling over. Oh. Whew. All that's left to do is place your pole into your base. Make sure the ornament, in this case the eagle, is facing forward. And that's it. That's the finished kit. But there's one more thing we like to add here at Flag and Banner that makes it look extra special, and that is a flag spreader. As you can see, it completely changes the way the whole thing lays and makes it look more presentable. So what exactly is a flag spreader? Well, it's a convenient device that simply clips onto the back of your flagpole and spreads out the sides of your flag. If you want a more detailed demonstration on how to use one, check out our flag spreader tutorial here. And there you go. That's everything you need to know about your new indoor presentation kit. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to one of the experts at FlagandBanner.com. For more flag tips, tricks, and etiquette, be sure to visit the FlagandBanner.com FAQ page. And if you just want to know more about flags, join me every week on Flag Facts on the FlagandBanner.com YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more flag-related content just like this. And as always, thank you for watching. We'll catch you next time at FlagandBanner.com.